Module 1, Class 3. Mathematics. Chapter 3, Subtraction.
Good morning, children. Last 2 weeks, you were very busy with your assessment and revision. Now we come back to our class. Now, I am a maths teacher. I am going to take the new chapter for you. The first chapter, second chapter is over now. Now we are moving to third chapter. The third chapter is chapter 3, Subtraction. Chapter 3, Subtraction. Now, what is subtraction? Subtraction is an arithmetic operation in which we remove objects from a collection. That means we just take away the objects from a collection. For example, if you have 5 balls with you, if you want to take 3 from that 5 balls, what is the remaining number of balls? The question is, if you have 5 balls with you, I just draw for you, okay? 5 balls with you. Just consider this as 5 balls. If you take 3 from this collection of 5 balls, that means you just take 3 outside. Now what is the remaining number of balls? 2 balls. So if you take 3 from this 5 balls, what is the remaining? 2. Now how can you write the symbol for subtraction? The symbol for subtraction is just a line. This is the symbol we use for subtraction. So how you write this? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now you are clear now what is subtraction? Subtraction is an operation in which we remove the things. You just reduce the thing, or you just take away from the collection. That is actually called subtraction. Now we are going to discuss about how to subtract two-digit numbers. So I just do the subtraction of two-digit numbers for you. Subtraction of two-digit numbers. Subtraction of two-digit numbers. Now 55 minus 23. Here always for the addition and the subtraction we start from the ones place. So first you want to do this 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? That is equal 2. Now 5 minus 2 equal 3. Now we just take one more example. 64 minus 13. What is the answer? 4 minus 3 equal to 1. 6 minus 1 equal 5. Consider one more example with borrowing. In addition we just carry over. In subtraction we want to borrow. That means 72 minus 24. Here 2 minus 4 is not possible. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 4. So you take 1 from the previous number. Here 7. So just take 1. Here 7 becomes 6 and this becomes 12. Now from this 12 you take 4 outside. What is the answer? 12 minus 4 equal 8. 6 minus 2 equal 4. The answer is 48. It's clear now? Here we just borrow 1 from 7. So this becomes 12. Now 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Here 6 minus 2 equal to 4. One more example, that is borrowing. 83 minus 48. Here also 3 is less than 8. So take 1 from 8. Here 8 becomes 7 and this becomes 13. 13 minus 8 equal. 13 minus 8 equal after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 5. 5. Then 7 minus 4 equal 3. So the answer is 35. Now it's clear now how to subtract a two-digit number without borrowing and with borrowing.
Thank you.